Hello and welcome to How Logical. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can allow direct messages on TikTok. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. First of all, what you need to do is open up TikTok on your phone. Then hit your profile on the bottom right hand side and click on the three lines on the top. Then what you need to do is go to settings and privacy. You can see privacy option, go ahead and tap on privacy. And you can see the direct messages option, go ahead and tap on it. And you can see the allow direct messages. So what you need to do is tap on it. And you can see that if you want to allow the direct messages from everyone, just go ahead and tap on it. Other options are everyone, suggested friends, and no one. So if you don't want anyone to direct message you and you want to completely disable it, you have this function as well. So all you need to do is click on no one and nobody will be able to direct message you. So I'm going to show you how you can locate this once again. First of all, open the TikTok app. Then go to your profile, click on the three lines on the top right hand side and go to settings and privacy. The next thing you want to do is click on privacy and you can see the direct messages. Go ahead and tap on the direct messages and you can see the allow direct messages from. So go ahead and tap on it and tap on everyone. Now everyone can message you and it is allowed. So guys, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.